Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Google Wallet on Samsung. So let's jump right in. To begin, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Wallet. If it's not already installed, go ahead and tap Install. If you've used Google Pay in the past, this is basically the updated version, so updating it will work just fine too. Once the app is ready, open it up. When you launch Google Wallet for the first time, it'll prompt you to choose one of the Google accounts already signed in on your device. Just pick the one you want to link with your wallet, and you'll be taken straight to the app's main interface. From here, you'll notice the layout is clean and user-friendly. You can add all kinds of items, not just payment cards, but also loyalty cards, gift cards, event tickets, transit passes, and even emails with QR codes or barcodes that support wallet integration. To get started, tap on the Add to Wallet button. This opens up a menu where you can choose exactly what you want to add. In this case, select Payment Card. Next, tap on New Credit or Debit Card, and you'll get two options. Either scan your card using your phone's camera for automatic entry, or enter all your details manually, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once your information is entered correctly, just follow the on-screen steps to accept the terms and verify your card. You might receive a text, call, or be redirected to your mobile banking app for verification, depending on your bank. After the verification is complete, your card will be successfully added to Google Wallet. If prompted, make sure to enable NFC on your phone. This is the feature that allows you to use contactless payments, also known as tap to pay. From now on, all you have to do is unlock your phone and hold it near any compatible payment terminal. No need to swipe or insert a card.